I got some stuff for him too. It's bandages and stuff. He had surgery.
Sean's delivering, and then this lady with unnaturally white hair walked up with him, and now they're talking. I don't know what they're talking. There he is. There he is. They didn't even notice. Wait. Whoa. What is going on? Sean's thinking the exact same thing I am. Baby, got that whole thing on video today.
You can turn around the smile one?
Yeah.
Great.
Oh, I don't know.